Hello class, my name is Rashana Williams and today I will be showing you how to create a quiz on the website Sporcle. As you can see, this is the Sporcle homepage. There are plenty of quizzes that have already been made on this website, so if you chose not to create a quiz for your students, you can definitely go the route of using one of the quizzes that are already provided. They do have quiz tabs with a lot of different categories that you could use, but for the sake of our project today, we will go to the Create tab. So we'll go down and we'll hit Create a Quiz. So with creating a quiz, you can put in the quiz name and similar quizzes will pop up. So we'll go ahead and type in name of dictators. And you see all of the similar quizzes popped up. For the sake of time, I have already begun creating a quiz. So we'll go ahead and go to the Create tab and then go to the dashboard. There's one draft here, and it is my draft, and the quiz name is Dictators. So we'll go ahead and edit this game. So when you get to the edit portion, it'll first have game info. So you'll go ahead and put in your game name, a quick description, how much do you know about dictators, and then it'll give you a link. It gives you an option of timing your quiz. So my quiz is going to have about 5 questions. So I'll go ahead and give my students 5 minutes so they can have 1 minute per question. The category I chose was history. You can also add a source link. I found an article on the Huffington Post that gave me a description of a lot of dictators, so I chose to add that. We'll go ahead and save our changes. Then we'll go to options. So as you can see here, they give you a few options on how you want to dictate how your quiz goes. So wrong answers could end the quiz, but I don't want to do that because I want my students to continue even if they get an answer wrong. We also have randomized order of questions, randomized order of answers, and hide the previous and next buttons. I like the way that my options look, so I'll just go ahead and go to the next tab. So we have data here. I already have written out 4 questions, so I'll go ahead and add one more question. My question will be, Muammar al-Gaddafi was, actually we'll say is, dictator. Oops. Which country? Alright, so I think I want my answer to be here. So I'll go ahead and write in Libya. And then go ahead and put that as the answer. We can do another country. We'll go ahead and put Uganda here. England. And the United States. And we'll go ahead and save that question. Now, after you feel as though you've done everything with your quiz, you can go ahead and test the quiz. So, we'll go ahead and play. I'll just answer the first question. So, who is the dictator of Sudan? Looks like the answer is Omar al-Bashir. So that's the correct answer. It goes on to the next question. However, we will just go ahead and skip that. So we'll go ahead and go back to the dashboard and edit the game. So tags. So we'll go ahead and automatically apply the tags and then we'll click Finish Up. So I would like to launch my game to the public. So now the game is live. So now anyone on the site can use this quiz to help their students, and I will be using this quiz to help my students. Thank you all so much for listening.